welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Preeti Batla and I upload affordable fashion, beauty, entertainment and some fun related videos on my channel. And आज की जो वीडियो है this is very old video, मतलब ये बहुत टाइम से ये टाइटल Instagram पे वर्क कर रहा है that we try the cheapest items from Nykaa and review them कि वो worth it हैं या नहीं हैं. So to begin with, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon to never miss a video from my channel. And yeah, without any further ado, let's quickly jump into the video. Okay, so जो first thing है वो ये है कि जब मैं Nykaa पे कोई भी प्रोडक्ट सर्च कर रही थी एंड मैं उसको सॉर्ट कर रही थी प्राइस लो टू हाई में, तो कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स आ रहे थे जो मैंने ऑलरेडी यूज कर रखे हैं एंड आई डू नॉट लाइक देम, तो मैंने उनको स्किप करके दूसरा प्रोडक्ट ढूंढने की कोशिश करी है. एंड दूसरी चीज ये है कि कई ऐसी वीडियोस मैंने देखी हैं जिनमें ब्लॉगर्स ने वो प्रोडक्ट्स ट्राई करे हैं जो शॉर्ट रेंज फ्रॉम लो टू हाई में आ रहे हैं बट आर कम्प्लीटली वेस्ट ऑफ मनी. तो मैं अपनी हार्ड अर्न मनी को वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहती थी, तो मैंने वो प्रोडक्ट्स को भी स्किप किया है. सो मतलब जो थर्ड पॉइंट एंड द क्रक्स पॉइंट ऑफ दिस वीडियो इज दैट मैंने ट्रस्टेड प्रोडक्ट्स को ही इंक्लूड किया है इस पूरी लिस्ट में, ताकि हमारा और टाइम ना वेस्ट हो और आपको ये ना लगे कि सारी वीडियोस में एक ही चीज बोली जा रही है. सो या हैविंग सेड दैट, let's just begin with the first product and that should be a moisturizer. I came across two things. So this is the Vaseline Petroleum Jelly. I'll be using this jelly to moisturize my lips. The texture is thick and yeah, ये तो all time favorite है ही. Next is this Himalaya का moisturizer. This is the consistency and या मेरी स्किन बहुत ज्यादा ड्राई फील कर रही है, सो आई थिंक इतनी क्रीम तो लग ही जाएगी. ओके, सो आई जस्ट ब्लेंड दिस. नॉट बैड. बट आई रियली लाइक द बायोटीक moisturizer. That's my current favorite. It's also nice, but yeah, I just don't like it that really much. It retails for, it's small pack, smaller pack retails for 99 rupees guys. So I think you should better go and buy this one instead of this one. So yeah. Okay. So moving on to primer. When I was scrolling through Nykaa, the primer which was shown in the category was this VLCC Glam Glow Skin Perfector, and I have ordered this in the shade Warm Beige and it also has the SPF 30. This is like prep and prime kind of a cream which also acts as a foundation. I think this much would be enough. I really like the Nykaa one primer, but yeah, for this video I'm gonna use this. यार सबने तभी आवाज करनी होती है जब वीडियो बन रही होती है. I'll just warm this up a bit. Okay, so this is more of foundation than of a primer. I have used this cream in one of my vlogs. On my birthday, I have applied this. If you haven't watched my birthday vlog, then I'll just link it for you guys in the I tab and the description box as well. You can check that out. And I think इसने एक canvas तो create कर दिया है, the work of a primer, but it has not blurred out my pores. I have huge pore issues guys, please excuse me. I will have to use the Nykaa primer. This is not included in this video, but nowadays my skin is just breaking out too much, so I cannot do without a primer. I will have to use a primer. So I would say कि प्राइमर के लिए डोंट गो फॉर दिस. because this is kind of a BB cream and that's not a primer. Invest in a good primer. So I think now my base is just ready so that I can apply some of the foundation. So in the foundation category, I found the Blue Heavens foundation, which I have used. Please don't use it. Its quality is not nice. So I came across some of the BB creams and CC creams in the foundation range. And so I did not want it to spend because I had BB cream from Garnier. Oh shit. I think itna side should be enough. थोड़ा सा इसको भी मैं warm कर लेती हूँ. I really like this cream also. So I'm going in with this beauty blender. Oh, I'm getting bald from here. Okay. So I think this is a low coverage foundation. I'm going in and using some of the cream again for some medium coverage. So I'm going in with the same product and building the foundation. You can also make any of your foundation high coverage by adding some of the loose powder. And yeah, I have made a video जिसमें मैं वायरल टिकटॉक और इंस्टाग्राम रील्स के हैक्स में टेस्ट कर रही हूँ and I'm telling you कि कौन से वर्क कर रहे हैं. तो उसमें ही I have discovered this hack कि किसी भी फाउंडेशन को हम फुल कवरेज कैसे बना सकते हैं. So yeah, stay tuned for that video. I'll upload that video after this or maybe after one video. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, I think now it has covered my face. In a fragrance में पता नहीं lemon है या क्या है. It is just very much refreshing and rejuvenating. Okay, so moving on to the next product. I'm using Miss Claire's eyebrow pencil. You guys watch my videos काफी पहले से, तो you guys know कि I have kept a पुराने मस्कारा का स्पूली. ये भी मैंने तोड़ दिया था. इनसाइड का मस्कारा है ये. And I'm just brushing my hair. And now I'll be moving towards my eyes. So in the highlighter range, I have ordered this highlighter from Swiss Beauty, and I'll be using this highlighter as the eyeshadow and the highlighter part. I have this palette by Swiss Beauty, Winky palette. You guys have seen this palette. मैं थोड़ा सा ही इस palette को use करूँगी, and बाकी I'll be going in with that palette only. Okay guys, so I'm just going in the crease area with a brown tone. You can also use your bronzer for this part. A dark color, maroonish color, and I'll just place it on my crease area, and we'll try to build it up. Now I'm just going in with this. This is a Swiss Beauty ka palette, and I'm going with this rusty color. Yeah, and they are looking really nice, I must say. So now for the eyeliner, the one which I came across was the Blue Heavens ka eyeliner, but I have used it and it is not nice. Please trust me, it is not nice. I have tried it, and so yeah, I came across this liner. This is Lakme Insta Liner, and I personally love this product. And अगर आप मुझे जानते हैं और मुझे काफी टाइम से आप फॉलो कर रहे हैं, तो you guys know कि I have this liner only. Okay. Okay, so I've created the wing. Okay, so you guys, I'm done with the eyeliner and mascara के लिए I could not find a cheap mascara and या तो इसी eyeliner को मैं apply कर रही हूँ. As a mascara, this spoolie which I use for the eyebrows, मैं उसी को यूज करूंगी and yeah. So the thing which I was searching for, bronzer और contour, and उसमें literally कोई भी अच्छे options नहीं आ रहे थे. So I went ahead and bought a concealer from Insight, and this is really affordable and I will use this as a contour. Not much. Bit of it. Okay, so I'm blending this product. You can see. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? So in the concealer category, I'm using this concealer. Insight as a brand is really nice and inexpensive, I should say. And yeah, I'm just using a bit of the concealer. So I'm going ahead and using the powder. जो प्राइस रेंज मैंने सोच रखी थी उस प्राइस रेंज में अफोर्डेबल लूज पाउडर्स आर रेयर, और मतलब डिस्काउंट पे हो तो फिर भी आपको मिल जाते हैं बट नहीं मिलते एज सच. LA18 का पाउडर, दिस इज द कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर एंड आई यूज इट टू सेट माई फेस. So ordered this eyelash glue. This is by Bronson. So I'm using this glue. It is not getting tacky, you guys. It is not sticking. It is not sticking. Not at all. Okay. See, it has just come out. This product was a fall because it did not stick. This is LA18 का काजल and yeah, I just forgot कि मैंने lower lash line का कुछ किया ही नहीं है. So yeah, I'm just, this is a really affordable kajal and it is really nice, and if you want to create some smoky eyeliner look, so you can do that thing with this liner. So the next product is a lipstick and I'm going in with the Blue Heaven Special Matte Lip Color. मैंने Blue Heaven का कोई भी सामान नहीं ऑर्डर किया है इस वाली वीडियो के लिए, बट मैंने ये लिपस्टिक ऑर्डर करी थी and I wanted to test कि ये कैसी निकलती है, because I have heard many of the bloggers rave about this product. So let's see. The color was different here. Okay. As you can see, it is getting greener. Oh my god. It is getting greener. See? It is not looking bomb, you guys. Shit. See? It is getting blue. Oh my god. That's what cheap products do to us. See, it has just spoiled whole look. And I don't recommend this lipstick to you guys. Now what can I do? I should just speak like this, or whatever. Like, this is not great, you guys. सारी मेरी expectations को hurt करते हुए. I have few more products to try. और a makeup fixer. This was the makeup fixer, which was cheapest, and this is by Swiss Beauty. It says it has aloe vera with the vitamin E. इसके particles are not fine. So the next product which I will try today, which I have tried, yeah, basically, you guys know, यही वाला highlighter. I'm just gonna try this. Okay. Okay. This is one product that never lets me down, but this is also not वैसा वाला product की option मिले तो मैं इसे choose करूँगी, ऐसा भी नहीं है. These were all the products which I wanted to try with you guys. The one which worked really nice is this liner and the kajal. हम दोनों concealers की बात करें जो दो range है inside की. So please order your concealer from this range, and I'll make sure to link all the products in the description box. And yeah, this is the final look, you guys. And please let me know in the comments down below कौन सा product है जो आपके पास भी same है and you guys love it or you guys don't love it. So yeah, your opinions are more than welcomed. So yeah, this was all for today's video. I really hope you like it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell icon to never miss a video from my channel. And from now I'll be very active. And मेरे channel की जो birth anniversary कह सकते हैं या मेरे channel की anniversary, it is on 9th January, and I will try to improve, and more often I'll just try to create videos and post them for you guys. So yeah, we'll meet soon in the next video, and I love you guys.